Good morning, students. So today we are going to see the topic fluid properties. Okay. So we already know that. So in that subject name for fluid mechanism engineering. So in that particular subject we are going to see the first topic is called fluid properties. Okay. So before that, I just want to ask you, what is meant by fluid? Anybody? Anyone of the a substance which has ability to flow. Yes, very good one. First one, we just want to see the fluid properties. So first thing, we just want to see what is meant by fluid. So a substance can ability to flow. So it is a fluid. Okay. If any substance or any particles which can ability to flow, so it will be known as what? Fluid. And also it will be continuously deformed. Am I right or not? The substance which can ability to flow, and also it can be continuously deformed. Okay? Continuously deformed under the what? Very shear stress. Okay? Shear stress. So it will be the definition of fluid. Okay. So the fluid which can be able to flow, and also it will be continuously deformed one shape to another shape with respect to under the particular circumstance is what? It is a shear stress which can be applied over to the fluid. Okay. It can be deformed continuously. So that's why we are telling like that. Okay. So after that, we have already seen that. So first thing the fluid property is the basic definition we just want to see first. So then only we can solve, based upon the properties we can solve the problems. Okay. So first property is what? Mass density. So in this mass density we are using the notation is what? Rho. Okay. So any one of you can tell me what is mass density? Anyone of you please stand up and tell me.
So the ratio of mass of fluid by the volume of the fluid.
Yes, very good. Very good. So the rho is equal to what? Mass by volume. Mass per unit volume. Okay. Yes. So in that we can define the mass with respect to some portion of liquid which can be stored in any type of container. Okay. So likewise, we just want to take any one cube now. So here we just want to store the different types of liquid. Okay, we are already seeing that. So in the one form it will be a honey. So the another one is what? So water. So third one is oil. Okay. So these are the three different form of fluid which can be stored in one container now. So its fluid properties which can be varied each and every what? In every substance. Okay. So if the honey which can be cured, we just want to mixing these three types of fluids together in that particular container. Okay. So in that situation, what will happen? The honey can be stored in a very down space. Okay. So above that, the water it can be flow. Yes. These two comparatively, these two water and honey, the density of oil which can be very less compared to water and honey. So that's why the oil can be flowing in a top surface. So that is the main thing. You just want to see that. Okay. So here, so how much mass which can be taken down in this certain volume of the container. So that's why it will be known as what? Mass container. It is nothing but the mass per unit volume. How much volume takes place? Okay, in a single for the fluid mass. So if you are taking a honey, what are the overall mass which can be occupied in the particular container? So that it will be called as mass per unit volume. So that's why the mass density. Okay. So what is the next thing we are already seeing? The
Specific weight.
Specific weight. Very specific weight. So what is the unit we are using? The small w. Yeah, small w. Okay.